Exploring the world of non-custodial wallets like Bifrost means taking control of your crypto, which comes with its own set of essential responsibilities and risks you must understand. The number one risk is loss of your secret recovery phrase or private keys. With a non-custodial wallet, you are the sole guardian of these keys. If you lose them, or if they are destroyed, there is absolutely no customer support, no forgot password link, and no one, not even the wallet provider, can help you recover your funds. They will be permanently inaccessible. Next is user error. Since you are in full control of all transactions, if you send funds to the wrong wallet address, the transaction cannot be reversed. The money will be lost forever. Always double-check and even triple-check every address before confirming a transaction, especially for large amounts. Then there are security threats targeting you directly. Non-custodial wallets protect you from central exchange hacks, but they don't protect you from yourself. This includes sophisticated phishing and social engineering attacks. Scammers may try to trick you into entering your secret recovery phrase on a fake website or into a malicious app, giving them direct access to drain your funds. Never, ever share your recovery phrase with anyone or type it anywhere online. Finally, consider device security. If the device storing your Bifrost wallet is compromised by malware or viruses, or is physically stolen, your private keys could be exposed. Use strong device security, keep your operating system updated, and always consider using a hardware wallet for your most significant holdings for an extra layer of offline protection. Self-custody is powerful, but it demands constant vigilance.